Dancing with Words, Unraveling the Mysteries of Near Synonyms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into an exciting aspect of the English language, near synonyms. This topic is a part of the Advanced Vocabulary section, under Synonyms and Antonyms. Our journey will help us master the subtleties and complexities of English vocabulary. So, let's start. So, first things first, what exactly are near synonyms? They are words that share a common meaning but aren't completely interchangeable because of slight differences in their connotations, usage, or context. An example could be the words ask and inquire. Both are about seeking information, but inquire is often used in a more formal context. Why do we need to understand near synonyms? That's a great question. Near synonyms add richness and variety to your spoken and written English. They can help you tailor your language to different contexts, audiences, and purposes. For instance, you might begin a book, but you would commence a ceremony. Now, let's delve into how to identify near synonyms. When you encounter two words with similar meanings, think about their usage, connotation, and the context in which you've seen them. Dictionaries and thesauruses can be useful tools here, but remember, practice and exposure to various contexts is key. Practice is essential for mastering near synonyms. Try using them in sentences or in written paragraphs. Read widely and look for near synonyms being used in different contexts. As you practice, you'll develop a deeper understanding and feel for these subtly different words. Well, that's it for today's lesson on near synonyms. Remember, these words are more about feeling the language than hard rules. As you immerse yourself more in English, you'll start recognizing and using near synonyms naturally. Until our next language adventure, keep practicing, and happy learning.